Now in this lesson we take a look at halves and quarters. Example 1. Now we've got 24 milk cartons there. And the first one we've got to do is find a half of 24. So to find a half of something, we split them up into two equal groups. So we draw a line down the middle there. We've got our two equal groups. Let's count one of the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So a half of 24 equals 12. Now what about a quarter of 24? So quarters, we're dealing with four equal groups. So let's split down the middle and across. So we've got four equal groups there. Let's just count one of the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a quarter of 24 equals 6. Terrific. Example 2. We've got 20 strawberries there. We've got to find one half of 20. Now, look, if you already know the answer, that's great, okay? Maybe you do. But if not, no problem. One half means we're going to split them up into two equal groups. And we're going to count after each time we move the two strawberries. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can see there's 10 strawberries in each group. So a half of 20 equals 10. Now what about this one? 1/4 of 20. Well, there's a couple of ways of doing it. The easiest way from now, though, is to get one of the halves, which we've got, and split that up in half. Because a half of a half, in fact, is a quarter. So we're going to move these strawberries around that are highlighted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1/4 of 20 equals 5. Excellent. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.